Hoy, gising ka na wala. Di ka ba natatakot sa amin?
Bakit? Multo ba kayo?
Where's my daughter?
We need to talk first. Something happened yesterday.
Yes, I heard. Yaji. Imposible. Alam ko galaw ng mga Yaji. They want to overrule. Kung totoong sinasabi mo, Prosper.
Yaji needs a queen to play her role. They need you.
Amy!
Ilang taon na namin silang pinipilit. Talagang ayaw nila.
Why aren't you answering your phone, Amy?
Para deadbat lang si Mr. Roswell. Kilala niyo naman asawa mo. Hindi mahiling mag-charge.
I have a bad feeling about this, Lamperouche.
Dick!